Most people learn what they need and stop, but you finished one topic and already opened 5 new tabs. That's not a distraction problem. That's a Gemini brain doing exactly what it was built to do. When your mind wants to learn everything, most people around you will tell you to focus. Pick one thing. Stop jumping. But here's what they don't understand. Your brain isn't scattered. It's searching. Psychology shows that this specific drive, this hunger for understanding, is a combination of deep cognitive traits. And for Geminis, ruled by Mercury, the planet of thought, communication, and information, this isn't a flaw in your wiring. It's the very nature of your wiring. Today, we're going to break down exactly what's happening inside your mind. 7 psychological reasons why you want to learn everything. And then, the one thing you actually need to do with all of it. The first reason is what psychology calls high openness to experience. This is one of the 5 core personality dimensions, and Geminis score extraordinarily high on it. High openness means your brain feels genuinely rewarded by novelty. New knowledge doesn't feel like work. It activates dopamine, your brain's motivation signal. So when you learn something new, it literally feels good. Understanding becomes its own reward. This is why you don't need external motivation to study something interesting. The curiosity is the motivation. The second reason is what I call pattern hunger. And this one is deeply Mercury. Gemini minds don't collect isolated facts. They look for connections, systems, the invisible thread that links psychology to astrology to behavior to history. You're not just learning, you're building a mental map of reality. And here's the psychological truth. Incomplete maps feel uncomfortable to you. That's not anxiety. That's your brain doing what it's designed to do. Find the structure beneath the surface. Reason 3. Intolerance of confusion. Many deep thinkers, especially Geminis, struggle to sit with unanswered questions. Psychology shows that uncertainty creates cognitive tension. Your mind doesn't just tolerate that tension. It hunts the answer to resolve it. You read, research, analyze, not to perform intelligence, but because confusion actually feels physically uncomfortable. To you, you need clarity the way other people need rest. And here's where it gets interesting, because this next reason explains something that most Geminis never even consider about themselves. Reason 4. Internal independence. You don't accept explanations easily. You want to verify them yourself. Psychology calls this intellectual autonomy. You'd rather understand something personally than take someone else's word for it. That's why you don't just read headlines. You go to the source. You dig. You question. Mercury-ruled minds are built for this. Communication and understanding go together, and you won't communicate what you don't truly understand. Reason 5, and this one is often overlooked. Knowledge is psychological safety. For many Geminis, understanding the world feels like control over it. Psychology shows that learning reduces perceived uncertainty. The more you know, the more prepared you feel. The more prepared you feel, the safer you feel. So sometimes your curiosity isn't just curiosity. It's protection. Your mind's way of building a shield against an unpredictable world. Reason 6. You use knowledge to understand yourself. Psychology shows that introspective individuals, and Geminis are deeply introspective, use external ideas to answer internal questions. Every concept becomes a mirror. Every theory becomes self-reflection. When you learn about psychology, you're really asking, why do I think this way? When you study astrology, you're asking, what does my mind actually look like from the outside? For you, learning isn't just information. It's self-discovery. And reason 7, your brain requires higher stimulation than most. Psychology is clear on this. Cognitively active minds become restless without intellectual engagement. Routine feels draining. Repetition feels almost physically suffocating. New ideas feel like oxygen. That's not immaturity. That's a high-performance cognitive system that needs to be fed. But here's the part nobody tells you. This drive, as powerful as it is, has a shadow side. When curiosity has no boundary, rest starts to feel unproductive. You finish one topic and immediately jump to the next. Completion never feels complete. Psychology calls this information overload. You gather faster than you process. Knowledge accumulates, but clarity doesn't always follow. And instead of peace, you get pressure. If you've ever felt mentally exhausted but still unable to stop, that's not a willpower problem. That's your Gemini mind running faster than it can integrate. If this is resonating with you, hit subscribe, because this channel is built exactly for this. Psychology for the Gemini mind. No generic advice. No watered-down astrology. Real frameworks for how your brain actually works. So here's the psychological truth that ties all of this together. Wanting to learn everything isn't about intelligence alone. It's about meaning. Your mind believes that if it understands enough, eventually, everything will make sense. Eventually, there'll be clarity. But no mind can learn everything. And peace doesn't come from knowing more. It comes from integrating what you already know. The goal was never to stop being curious. The goal is to let knowledge settle. To let ideas move from your head into your life. Learning expands the mind. Reflection stabilizes it. And for a Gemini, that balance isn't a compromise. It's the upgrade. You're not scattered. You're not obsessed. You're cognitively curious. And that is one of the most powerful traits a human mind can have. The question is, are you using it or are you exhausted by it? If you want more psychology that explains how intelligent Gemini minds actually work, subscribe now. The next video goes even deeper into Mercury psychology and why your mind processes the world differently than almost everyone around you.